Hey everybody! Thanks for watching another edition of Bob's Odd Jobs, where we like to save money, save energy, and fix the things we have. Today, I'm going to show you how I built these loft beds. To build one of these beds cost me about $100. To buy one of these beds, it's going to cost about $500. When I make it myself, I get to choose exactly how high I want it, I get to pick the materials and the color, and I was able to even anchor these ones to the wall. I did all of this with a circular saw, and I sanded them by hand. It doesn't take a lot of tools. Really, it's just screws, wood, paint, sandpaper. Boom, you're in. This is video 1 in a 2-video series on building the loft beds and building stairs up to the loft beds. You could easily build a ladder for these. I'm not going to show you how to build a ladder because I build stairs. And that's my next video. So enjoy this video and let's head down to the deck. I got these 16-foot 2x12s. I just wanted the bed frame to look big and I think it's going to look really good. Make sure when you cut your pieces you write on each piece what the measurement is so you remember when you're going to put it together. I got my instructions here. I'll post this online. There's just a couple pieces that I cut with the handsaw that are a little uneven, so I'm going to sand some of this. I sand some of the corners just to make it look a little nicer. Underneath here, I've got 2x4 joists. I've got a double one there, and I've got the joists along the wall coming here. And I put these extra blocks here just to give it that extra little bit of support, so I could screw this right into here. Now I'm going to screw the top. My one support leg. It's not totally in, it's really just there to hold this all up for now. Once I get the stairs built, which is the next video, then I'll be able to attach the bed to the stairs. My first bed done, now I'm going to build a second one here. Alright, so I just finished the second bed. That's it. That's the loft bed. If you wanted to make a ladder on here, you can make a simple ladder going up. You can even use a support, make a support ladder here, and you'd have 2 supports holding it up and then make a ladder climbing up. One other thing, which I haven't actually done yet, is a little safety rail. I did pick up some 1x5s and some 1x3s just to build this extra railing. When I build the stairs, they'll be attached to the support, and they'll attach to the bunk. So thanks for watching another edition of Bob's Odd Jobs. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.